Women contributed in a variety of ways to the Patriot side in the American Revolution. Women organized into a group known as the Daughters of Liberty. They took their name from the Sons of Liberty, a group of male patriots that formed in reaction to the Stamp Act in 1765 to oppose what they regarded as British tyranny. In response to British taxation, the Patriots decided to boycott British goods, such as textiles and tea. The Daughters of Liberty made the boycotts work, for example, by organizing spinning bees to create homespun textiles. There were quite a lot of these in New England, and homespun cloth became a patriotic fashion statement. Liberty tea, made out of herbs, flowers, and leaves, such as mint, became a stand-in for tea imported from the East India Company. The vital role of women before the Revolutionary War would intensify as the fighting began. This has been 60 Second Civics, a podcast of the Center for Civic Education. The show's theme song is Complacent by Cheryl B. Engelhardt. You can find Cheryl online at cbemusic.com. 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute. I'm Mark Gage.